Girl, if him a go for me.
Girl, I just have a grip on the double send for Sotto with the shovel. So me go sabo se mas a kakakuma. Catch a cause a couple dozen more. Me must have that terror cocky the hustle and I shovel through the pack. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the.
Welcome to True Island Stories. Now this is a story about a robbery that took place, daring daylight robbery, over in Portmore, St. Catherine, at the Public Sector Credit Union, where some brawling top flickers went in there with guns. And the man them ambushed some security guards, some archive security guards. And that, what me da call, cloudy behavior. Meaning, firstly, the approach of the security guards that were alerted about the robbery. First of all, but before we get to the shootout, we could dissect the video. The dude will get shot and killed named Clark. One man come in, one security guard. The flickers them let him in, the flickers let him in. Jam him, take off him strap off him. Then the next flickers go in, jam him. Now the next security guard go in, them jam him and take him strap off him. Clamp! Knock him in the head. Him get flung a ground. Alright. Now, the approach to the building, there was no form of tactfulness for a highly trained security company like that. Now, more I know who relay the message to them, their control arm. Now they must have been some form of miscommunication. I mean, it must evident. And again, then park the car. Me have to call it or me see video still, or me see picture them, because when police pull up and hear say man with gun in a place that act suspicious, number one, no one car now come nowhere. That's a number one. And just park neat like you depend on your phone and tell me say, yo, hold on a little. Of all a chicken bone in your mouth and put it down in a KFC box and stay so. I look back at you. And a park neat. You understand me? No gun no in a hand. Have all your key in your hand and spin and walk go in a place. So bad man no let you in, man. So it's like them walk in an ambush. So me I wonder if it's an inside job. Me I wonder if it's an inside job, brother. Because there's no way you call base. And maybe somebody couldn't call base. But even if them press the button, that button there, where them press, from you get alert up a base, you must come full metal jacket, First of all, when you reach the location, you have to cordon off a build the whole acre, the whole perimeter. Have to get cordon off. Be a rifle. You understand me? And then you have to go in at the place tactical. You know, just walk go in there, so. You understand me? You know, just walk go in there, so, brother. Now, if the glass dark, me I wonder how you go in there. And who first that go in there. Because it's set away. Because if first man go in there, take risk, you know. But at least, if a one man go in there, say a one police go in there, a one archive, you load up. By the time the first man get knocked, you know, a big gunshot in that, you know. Or you don't go in there, use a PA. You understand me? And me don't know all the inside it's set up where you have a back office. You understand me? Where somebody in there can dip on a phone or, you know what I mean, relay the outlay of the situation. That's why I wonder if it's an inside job, brother. You understand me? But as Carden told me getting me off his celly. So now when me pre the video, me go say one eye security guard them now. Me see a brother go sub up and a run. Two man stand up, further up, and them's like them hear the gunshot, but me can't hear the gunshot. So me see them run off. So when we look now, me see a flickers come boom and jump on a car and film thing and go so gub, 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 and I knock it. You see me I say, and you can see steam a come out of the devil pipe. You see me I say, and then him go sub up and like him all run, go on a truck and turn back and go sub up and go up a burrow. And by the time me look at archive man that me see in a full black CSO with film chopping him and I see so gub, 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 and I race out him devil pipe. But me want tell you something where him do wrong. Him shouldn't run down the brother there. And I'm more than one of them. A hero him a play there so. Because by the time me look I crawl, me see him a crawl back pan him belly a come back down like caterpillar. Him shouldn't bother run down the man play hero and jazz hero, brother. And enough fee money. Him not get paid for that. You see from him go some bust it off of them and them run. Remember you can't, when the man him shoot off, you can't stop gunshot, you know. The man could have shoot out him, yeah, you know. Cause remember the youth have fire back, you know. And you can't see, say, when him run past the car and run go up where truck there, the youth still a knock him or is a next youth up there, so I wait upon him and I woogum and knock him and him drop. You see me? And crawl come back. And when time him crawl come back, him crawl go in a building and crawl left him gun, you know. The man crawl left him gun out a door, you know. But guess what? When the pain lick you and you shell shock, you will do anything because you don't even remember say you have your gun. But guess what? Me kind of rate him or a man go to say, yo, squad your gun out there, so. And him go so and Kekklins back himself and but guess what? The youth could have turned back and come kill him. What if a next youth did that? What if a next flickers did that? Him could have killed him and take up him gun because the man left him gun in the middle. Me know who not see the video, me go put it on my Patreon page because it's too graphic for show up on YouTube. I don't want to put it on YouTube. And me go put up the next video when the one where pass, you know. R.I.P. condolence to your family, brother. May I tell you, you die upon the job and nobody no want to go out like that, you know what I mean? But I hope this, you know, we are learning experience, brother. You see me, the cavalier which them approach the scene. You have to approach every scene like a last, like a 50 gunman there. You can't just approach us and brother, me never blame them. Because if them did get the information, the way all them forget it, them wouldn't go. And one car? No, brother. No, and them don't know how much people in there. You see me? No, me say, the man them go and cut well what other Seba Reba and jump in a car and go so, and dash out of place, brother. And that time police now go sub up and have them on the radar and one piece of drive down and shoot out on the chopping. and them go some crashing on a light post or one sitting and jump out of the car and run, but one you must get shot or sitting at two and them hang on pan one. You see one way get hang on pan. Dog damn theme suffer and puppy suffer. At that me I tell you, cause I know they not done beat him. You keep, me know say all kind man supposed to down at jail. I tear off his cell door if you go in there, go kick him, kill him. With them they shine a guy boot that every polish supposed to wipe off down in his throat, but him supposed to any of them catch him and polish till he weak. Them and know them all kind man then I go play it. Gentlemen, uno prepare. Uno kill one for them one. Them not run no more risk, but sometime out of every chaos comes an opportunity. And I know say this is an opportunity for them to be retrained, not only physically but mentally. You understand? Because you can train physically, you know, but if you have a mental approach to the situation, you're going to have a problem. You understand me? I don't know if them get to it no money. I don't know how that go. But again, we say R.I.P. to Clark, you dead. You know what I mean? Gone too soon. You're dead on the job. You know, lost no marks in the feet, brother. You see me, I just have to say a miscommunication. I just hope them grab them other youth there. On to our next little subject where I'm going to talk about. I not stay long, Jenka people, because night now. Them are run out of medical oxygen tank down in Jamaica. We are run out of medical oxygen tank down here. So for all of the PIS patient, I call it one name, I don't want to call it that COVID. They call them flag me already. People know me attack. Yeah, them are run out of oxygen tank in our place. As far as me get it, Mr. Peter Graham, managing director of IGL, sole supplier. They are the sole supplier IGL of oxygen tank in Jamaica. And him say small hospitals used get at least 21 for the week. So on an average them use 3 per day. Now since the rise in the big V, them I use 15 per day. 15. Remember, you know, them use 21 for the week. Now them I use 15. So if them I do that, then somebody now will get left. If you need oxygen and you don't get it, you are got dead. I have to tell you, so you have to wear a mask and take the thing serious. Take the thing serious. You know so much people are dead. You know so much people have a thing with them called long haulers, where it mash up people heartstring, and that are the weak one. Now we have the Brazilian variant, the UK variant, and so all kind of sitting. Me don't talk. To be warned is to be forearmed. And that me I tell you, go with God, cause my foot tired. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in True Island Stories. What will you choose? And remember, our stories now are on iTunes, Spotify as podcasts, edited to your delight and purposes, so you can stream while you're going to work or download the albums and just listen to your pleasure while you're washing the dishes or doing your laundry or driving in your car, going about your business while I go about mine.
Y'all just have a grip on the double send for Sotto with the shovel, so me go so boss him as a Kekklins get your cause a couple dozen more me must have that rocky the hustle and a shovel through the pack.
White case, them so come like the one that the whole girl in the man. Yeah, I hear you with me.
Question, what will you choose? Lego the gonna come and TIS news. What will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? Lego the gonna come and CVM news. What will you choose? Choose, lose, clues. Don't say God with the touch. Nighttime them run out fully dark. Guns on one another, everything a sparks. But who are the piranha? Which one are the shark? Moon the black rims, but the cat same soft. And I estimate the pass and then get them head cock. Screamers and white dream and them a war. Whole place fuck up from them gone with the boss. Scared them bridge dream and rock man dark. Whole place someone from them like a playboy. When the man drop and who get the joy? Panties, you turn star, but what will you choose? Lego the gonna come Panties news. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? Lego the gonna come CVM news. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? What will you choose? Oh, what will you choose? Oh, what will you choose? Charlie wa black down Rockfort. Mikey Pelp, dead in a boat.